Hi students, let me explain you about the velocity selector. What is velocity selector? In the presence of the electric field and the magnetic field, how the charged particle moves. This is what the velocity selector explains. Here we introduce the electric field and magnetic field. See, the magnetic field which is given in the cross is into the paper, and the electric field is induced by the parallel plates. One is positively charged, another one is a negatively charged plate. So it moves from the positive charge to positive plate to the negative plate. So here we induce both magnetic field and the electric field. If we keep a charged particle which is positively charged, how it moves? If it experiences a Lorentz force due to the magnetic field, which is value is QAB, and the Coulomb's force, which is electric force, value is QE. So let's see, the electric force value is given by F equivalent to QE, which is Coulomb's force, and the magnetic force experience Lorentz force. This is combination of both electric and magnetic force. So the magnetic force F equivalent to QVB. If both the values remain same, if you are taking it for the ideal case, as only two forces are acting on the charged particle, according to the conservation, these forces remain same, and that value, which is VO, velocity of the particle at the origin, means when both the forces are equal, ideal case we are taking at VO. When two forces are equal, that is QE is equivalent to Q into VO into B, the velocity selector's value VO is equivalent to E divided by B. Q will get cancelled. So what is VO? E by B, which is the ratio between the electric field and the magnetic field. Now we selected the value of the velocity, how it should be. If we keep the charged particle, ideal case, it should be the ratio between the electric field and the magnetic field. Now if we keep any other charged particle Q in the presence of the magnetic field and the electric field, how it moves? What is the velocity? For example, if it is taking the velocity V greater than VO, if the velocity of the charged particle is greater than the VO, which is the ratio between the E to B, then VO is less. When the VO will become less? When B is greater, then only the VO will become less. So VO less means the B value, which is magnetic field, is greater. So the Q experiences the magnetic force and it will start moving to the upward directions force, which is QVB. Based on this, the charged particle will move. If it is lesser, V is lesser than VO, VO is greater. When the VO will become greater? When the E is greater, then VO is greater. Then charge will start experience only the electric force. So due to the electric force, the charge will move. If third case, when V is equivalent to VO, then the Q will move in a straight line, means equal amount of forces will act due to the presence of the magnetic field and the electric field. Charged particle will take a straight line. Thank you.